Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Thursday, the 10th of January 2018. So yesterday the pound moving back towards the 128.14 level, still above the 76% retracement there. Range bound, of course, waiting for next week's vote, which looks like is going to fail miserably. And until then, I would expect the market to remain sideways. Carney was out yesterday. He seemed to manage to boost the pound. You can see there we had a bit of a run up, and initially we started to move higher, trading through the 200 bar moving average, and then we were hit by the selling here, which you can see volume is greater than the previous bar, the range is narrower, price is also coming off the high of the bar. This is followed by selling, and then the market comes back below the 200 bar moving average, which you see here, and also through the DP level, and then prices trade sideways waiting for Carney. Again, reacting to Prime Minister's question time, the market comes back, retraces, finds support here, which you can see there with the green, and then we start to move higher as Carney and other central bankers were out yesterday. News today, let's have a look, see what we got. There's only Powell speaking at 5:45 p.m. This evening that's worth looking at there. Otherwise, all the rest is medium impact news there. And in the Dow, prices coming off on the overnight here. No surprise really, this market has no reason whatsoever to go up. Powell spoke yesterday, his comments were fairly dovish, but even that didn't help the market, and if that isn't going to help the market, then nothing else is. So I would look for a bit more weakness in this market. We started off moving to the upside, and then Powell came out and spoke. We saw the market find support and then move back to the upside, but rather a choppy session. Still 150 point range or more, but you can see the resistance in these areas here as prices then move lower. 76% retracement here, and then down we go. And currently we're below the 200 bar moving average as well, where we see the market break here, and we've remained below this for the time being. Bit of volume coming in now as the European traders get into the office. You can see there a bit of a pickup there, but longer term, looking at this, nowhere near yesterday's high on the overnight market, just reversing. The market's going up on declining volume as well. Bitcoin, a sharp break to the downside on the overnight market. You can see there we've come back through the 39.60, struggled with the 40.79. You can see this in the 4-hour chart and also in the 15-minute. If I drag this across here, you'll see how big the move is, dropping sharply to shake out. So we're below the S3, which means that markets are likely to trade sideways to higher, having come down to this level. And a bit of testing there as well at the moment, but if the low is broken here and here, then we could see prices continue to move lower. Don't know the reason why, but obviously somebody's come in and slammed the market. But if you look at the 4-hour, it's a straight reversal of what we saw yesterday, not yesterday, on the 7th of January. So you can see how prices held, and we did look at this yesterday with the 4-hour chart, and then prices lower there. Okay, that will do it for this one. Like I say, keep an eye on the pound as we get the to-ing and fro-ing with Brexit. The Dow also is looking fairly weakish, and in Bitcoin we've got a bit of weakness there as well, so watch the market moving lower. And something else I've just noticed that I'll bring to your attention, from this low to this high, watch the 37.01 if prices continue to move lower there during today's session. Okay, that's it for this one. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.